Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you all the washi tapes from the Love USA washi tape box. Normally I had this box planned for the washi tape for June, but I just wanted to release it just right away when I received it because I think it's a great way to use it for American holidays, such as the 4th of July, and of course just other holidays around the year. So there are 8 washi tapes in this box, 2 foil washi tapes and 6 normal washi tapes. These 2 are the foil washi tapes. This has gold stars and this has gold dots. I will show them closer later. These have some cute bouquets with blue and red florals. These are 2 skinny washi tapes with stars and stripes. Another red washi tape with florals, American donuts and American color garlands. Let me show you everything closer. So I quickly cut all the washi tapes from the paper. And as you can see, this is the washi tape with the gold foil stars. And this one has the gold foil dots. Cute! And these are the other washi tapes closer. How cute are they? So this box is available to order right now in the Planything web shop at planythingshop.com for $15. And of course also the other May box is still available to order. Thank you for watching!